Guys, dumating na pala yung order natin na wireless earbuds from Anker Soundcore.
Wow.
Ito nga pala ay upgraded version ng ating previous R50i NC, which is the new R60i NC. Comes with 3 times noise cancellation para mas malinaw yung maririnig mong music, with 3 times more detailed sound, powerful bass para mas buo yung sound quality, with upgraded high-performance call-focus microphone system dahil gumagamit ito ng 6 microphones with AI algorithms para ma-detect, isolate, and eliminate environmental noise during phone calls. At maglalast yung earbuds nito ng 8 to 10 hours at ang charging case from 40 to 50 hours. Kaya masusulit mo talaga yung sound trip mo. At marami ka pang mapagpipili ang kulay. Kaya ikaw, ano ba bang hanap mo? Ito na yung best budget earbuds available sa market. At huwag kalimutan mag-download ng Soundcore app para mas maraming features and controls to choose from. Okay? Nasa baba na yung link. Bye-bye!